Hello, just doing a quick video here in this Charvel SoCal Pro Mod. I just got it from Long and McQuade here in Canada, and it's pretty good. I really like it right off the bat. This is a 2017 build, so it has the rocket red still. You can't get that color anymore. Now they've gone to more of a flat or denim colors, so they have nice colors now, like a nice orange and stuff, but some of their other colors though aren't that good. They just have, natural or white or black, which kind of suck. But they do have some good ones. But I really like this one. It was on sale too, a couple $100 off, since it was kind of old stock. When I first got it, it's a bit out of, the setup's a bit out, but in fairness, I do get a free setup with it from Long and McQuade. And because of the pandemic, I can't get it set up, so you can only take product out of the store. You can't give them product, so you can't trade in, can't have stuff repaired. Well, that I know of. You might, if you had a critical repair, maybe they could help you out some way. But for like a standard tune-up, it's like, just hang on, they'll get to it later. So right out of the box, the nut action's really high. You see that there? It should be a lot lower. It should basically be like, when you fret a nut, that's the amount you do want. You can see right here. That's all the clearance you need at the nut. So this one is quite a bit more than that. So this has to come down a little bit. I don't see a shim in there, but there might be one. I'll take that apart to find out for sure. And then the string action is a bit high too. Not out of this world. I mean, it's playable. But definitely for a guitar like this, you're looking for low action, and that is not. So to fix that up, the relief's okay on it, or it's basically okay. I haven't measured it, and it has the star wheel adjuster for when you want to do the relief. The Floyd's a bit up high, a little tiny bit, so it needs a bit more spring tension. If I'm going to keep these strings on it to get that Floyd to sit flat, about like that-ish or so, like there maybe, you need a touch more spring tension. This one has a solid cover on the back, so a lot of Ibanez's will have 2 slots there, so you can adjust it right through the cover, but this one you just pop the cover off, no big deal. This is a serial number. So I'll do a review on this guitar later, but the thing I really want to point out is that this nut has a sharp spot on it right here, this Floyd Rose. So I'm gonna check out if you can get a better quality Floyd Rose locking nut without this piece here. You see how it left it on? This should be cut off. That doesn't need to be that high. They have a 2 or 3 millimeter gate there for the string to go in, when really it just needs a touch. Like, you're locking the string down anyway, so that's really high. And then when you play, your finger gets bitten there. And it's annoying that it's there, but also it's actually sharp. So, it definitely has to go or get fixed or replaced or something. I could file it down, or I could cut these off and all that, but hopefully they can just buy a good one. Hopefully they make a good one. I don't know. This is a Floyd Rose 2000, so it's kind of mid-range Floyd Rose. There's special, like 1000, 2000, and then 2 up from there. With I think the next one's German made, then USA made, I think, or vice versa. I'm not sure, but for a middle of the road Floyd Rose, they should have a kind of some sort of quality. It doesn't. So I'll see what I can do there. So anyway, just posting this, and I'll try to keep videos going as I do any repairs and adjustments on it, just so hopefully I'll help you out when, if you do get one, what needs to be done when you want to get it tuned up just right. There's a bit of plastic in there too, so this cover should come off, this plastic under these screws. So what I do, the rest of the fixes, I'll take the whole pick guard off and go through that and check it all out too as well under there. I'm sure it's good, but just double check it. This one's made in Mexico, which I've always liked. I've never had a back guitar from Mexico. You have a Strat, this, a Telecaster, and they're all really good guitars. Always really stable, and the fretwork's really good, rounded things. But anyway, I'll do a review on this later, and hope you have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.